In today's video, we're going to be talking about non-standard volume units, and I've got three things to think about. And the first thing to think about is, boy, that's not very good lines there, is an empty Kleenex box. Okay, we've got an empty Kleenex box here. It's a pretty bad drawing, and you have to think to yourself, could this empty Kleenex box hold something in it or take up space? And the answer is yes. So an empty Kleenex box does have volume. Okay. Next thing to consider would be this line. Kind of reminds me of Charlie Brown's shirt. Could this zigzag line hold something in it or take up space? And the answer to this is no. Okay, it can't. It's just flat on the paper. It cannot do that. Okay, and then the last thing to think about is a diamond. Can a diamond take up space? Just the shape of a diamond, not like a diamond ring or anything like that. Could this diamond take up space or hold something? And the answer to that is no as well. So if we go back through this zigzag line is only one dimension. It only has length. Okay. The diamond here has two dimensions. It has length and it has width. Two dimensions. The Kleenex box has three dimensions. It has length, it has width, and it has height. In order for an object to have volume, it has to be three-dimensional. One-dimensional objects, two-dimensional objects do not have volume, only three-dimensional objects. All right, now if we look at the bottom here, and we've got a order of operations problem, and here's a problem we're gonna work with today. So we're gonna do 24 divided by 6 plus 6 times 7 in parentheses. And what does that equal? Now, when we're working through order of operations problems, we can't jump around and do it in whatever order we want. We can't just go left to right like we would typically want to do. We have to have a certain order that we follow. So first thing we have to do is parentheses. And parentheses can also include brackets and braces. We don't have those in this problem, but it could. So after parentheses, then we would look for exponents. An exponent, just as a reminder, is a number up above like this. Okay. We do not have any exponents. So then we go to multiply or divide. I should change this. Multiply or divide, then add or subtract. And for these, we're always going from left to right. So let's go to the problem here. Our first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look for parentheses or brackets or braces. Well, we have some parentheses right here. So starting with that, 6 times 7 is 42. So I'm done with that part. Now I'm going to look to see if there's anything else, any other brackets or braces or parentheses. There isn't. So I'm going to bring down the rest of the problem. 24 divided by 6 plus 42. Now I'm going to, so I've got my parentheses done. There aren't any exponents. So I'm going to look for multiplication or division, and I'm going to look from left to right. Left to right. So I do have division. So 24 divided by 6 is 24 divided by 6 is 4. So I'm done with that portion of the of the problem. And my only thing left is this plus 42. And as you can see, we're done with that part. So now we're down to addition or subtraction. The only thing I have left is addition. So 4 plus 42 is 46. So the answer to our original problem, 24 divided by 6 plus parentheses 6 times 7 is 46. If you have any questions, make sure you let your teacher know, and have a good rest of your day.